Nature, physical manifestation. Camouflaging oneself because of the need to mingle with nature. Putting on a mask to hide one's truest identity. The festive atmosphere of the circus gets mixed with burlesque and the bohemian years of the 30s. Laces, jewels and feathers sewn together in a blaze of colours. Gaudy flowers with fleshy petals are the symbol of a seductive and joyful physicality. Small bead embroideries in the shape of leaves and flowers, bows and threads with bold colours. Fashion inspired by the sexiest and most entertaining side of nature. Kaleidoscopic floral patterns and voluminous ramifications of succulent plants. Chromatic mimesis with an evident mocking intent. Thus, man becomes at one with the surrounding environment. The article of clothing is a pretext that permits you to redo your look and disguise yourself. The body, butt of free and easy irony, is for dressing and disguising without reserve in winking games of transparency. The clown is back, interpreter of extreme transformation and of the multicolour look. Man reinvents himself, mixing materials that are different and, for him, unusual. The accessory flies toward the surprising, the improbable. Shoes literally put wings on the feet in a playful contrast. Nor is gem footwear left out. Gold triumphs, decorated with bright Scottish laces. Phantasmagorical makeup and fancy dress have been paraded on the catwalk. Extreme choices that in everyday life are expressed in the abundant use of colour. If the cheeks light up with lively touches of colour, gloss brightens the lips. The made-up eye bespeaks wild nights. Protagonist, the shiny black on the eyelids. Inspired by the sensual side of nature, the volumes become soft and the colours warm. Italian-style energy has designed cuts that can be done in a few steps with great attention to detail. The secret of a perfect result lies in the transport of the locks and in the techniques that have always characterized the energy method. To be noticed in the shortcuts are the finishing touches of the nape, precise and graphic, set against the softness of the front volumes. The straight solutions highlight asymmetries and disconnections, whereas the wavy ones allow the light to shine through, inflaming the colour. Sexy nature.